Muling sumabak sa Paris Paralympics sa mga Pinoy para-athletes. At sa inaabangang opening, isusuot nila ang damit na talagang tatak Pinoy. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho.
Heritage in Motion. Yan ang opisyal na tema ng official uniform ng Team Pilipinas para sa darating na opening ceremonies ng Paris Paralympics. Gawang lokal na, sustainable pa. Yan ang pinagmamalaki ng fashion designer na si Dita Sandico kasama ang kanyang junior designer na si Janina Santos. Kwento nila, 3 months ago lang nang maimbitahan sila ng Paralympic Committee.
In as much as we wanted to, but we kind of felt like we were not so ready for it because we don't really make uniforms. But somehow we took the challenge and we said, okay, we're going to make use of our indigenous materials.
The vision, dalhin ang watawat ng Pilipinas hanggang Paris. Makikita yan sa susuotin ng archer na si Angel Autumn. At hindi ito gawa sa anumang tela, kundi sa locally hand-woven Banaka fabric.
Even like yellow hats, for the ladies. I mean, our visors were in yellow, and then of course the stripes had the red and blue and yellow colors. Plus, the main uniform of the ladies were in Banaka, and it was also in red and blue.
Ang ibabalandring hand-woven at embroidered uniforms naman ng Taekwondo Jin na si Elaine Ganapin, track competitor Gerald Pete Mangliwan at swimmer Ernie Gawilan mula sa Mangin Tribe.
Yeah, so each embroidered panel, if you can see in the men's uniform, they have each a panel, and each panel is completely different from each other because each panel is held by one Mangyan's hands.
Sinigurado rin daw ng designers na kasama sa decision-making process maging ang mga atleta.
So since they are Paralympic athletes, what's great about the wraps is it's multi-wear. So it's not like one size only. It fits multiple sizes, and it has accessibility, like it has zippers for the sides because some of the Paralympians have no arms. Some of them have arms. Some of them only have one arm. So it can fit all of them.
Para sa kalalakihan, nais naman daw nilang lumayo sa tradisyonal na barong.
And we said, oh, I think, no, we want to be more practical.
Yeah.
We want them to stand out of the crowd and make it even more like they can wear it several times.
Makulay na kultura ng Pilipinas. Kita yan hanggang Paris, hindi lang dahil sa suot ng ating mga atleta, kundi dahil sa puso at tapang nilang representa ang bansa. Suportahan natin sila sa Paris Paralympics sa paparating na August 29. Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.